Welcome back to Sweet Heavenly Dove. I have an unboxing of the Kodak Photo Printer 3000. I just got it from Amazon. Let's unbox it right now. Let's get my cutter. There you go. There. Oops. Let's open now. Just open up. Let's see what we have. I'm so excited. We have a Kodak Instant Printer 3x3 cartridge. We have another one. There are 30 sheets in each. And here it is. The Kodak Mini 3 Retro in the yellow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see. The P3, I said 3000, it's the P300R. My mistake. Let's open it up. I've been wanting one of these and I've been watching the price. And it's basically about the same. So I took the dive and decided to buy one. Oops. Oh, I was trying to. Let's see, open up. Wow. It's the P300R. Retro. I thought it comes in white, yellow, and black. And I think this yellow is pretty rad. It's pretty retro yellow. Kind of it matches my nails. It has the user guide. The thank you. Let's see. The USB port. Let's open this. It's a lot of paper. The shrinkage. Here we go. Yes, this is really nice. And this goes right in the charge. I guess it comes out, it has four passes. And it does the different, and I guess you download the app. The printing app. So continuing on, this is what it would look like on your phone for the app, the Kodak Instant Printer app. And then you have camera, gallery, app, and information. And you can actually pick if you don't want certain photos. So I'm going to use this photo. I'm not going to try to edit anything. I'm just going, I don't want to, and I'll do it with a border. Yeah, I think it's with a border. And here we go. Oh, it's updating. Wow. So we gotta wait 22 seconds. 30. 48. 62. 5. 70. We're reaching 90. Done. The power will turn off if the update is successful. So what do I do? Oh, maybe the power on here. Silly me, waiting for my phone to turn off. We go to step out to do gallery. Current selection. Okay, we're gonna do this picture. I don't want to resize it. And I'm gonna try it with the border and see how it looks. Here we go. It says, do not close or exit until the printing is completed. It's warming up. And here we go. There it goes, finally. Remember, this is a 4-pass process. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4, which is coating. It's all complete. Let's take a look at it. Let's get a better look. That's nice. Now let's look at the photo on the phone. Hopefully you can see that properly. And it's really, really good. I'm a little impressed. So this is the Kodak photo printer P300R. And I give it a thumbs up. Well, take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Take care. Toodaloo.